this video, I will tell you how to create Gmail account without phone number. After watching this video, you will be able to create Gmail account. So watch the video till end. If you skip the video, then your Gmail is not work properly. After watching the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's start our video. Now go to Chrome or any browser. Type create Gmail account. Click on it. After clicking on it, many Gmails are appear on the screen. You click on add account to device because you are creating a new Gmail account. Then click on create account and choose for myself. Then enter your name, first name and last name. Let's suppose we take first name Hina and last name Khan. Then enter your basic information, enter your birthday and gender, month, day, year and gender select. Then create Gmail address for signing into your Google account. Let's suppose we take Hina KHN 2334. You take any other. Create strong password with a mix of letters, numbers and symbols. Let's suppose we take Hina Khan 1234 and @ After press on next, then click on yes I am in. Then Google privacy and terms are open. Click on I agree. Then click on save, otherwise not now. Then click on it and your new Gmail account is created. Thank you for watching this video. Keep supporting me.